been talking about mastering our mind so that we can transform our life so we can get more fulfillment out of this life. But what exactly does that mean? I'm aware that that means so many different things for so many different people. Obviously, it's probably different for every individual. It's an individualized goal pursuit. But no matter which pursuit you're on, no matter which goals you're working towards, there's a certain mental that you need that's going to take you to another level than you've ever been, a level up that you haven't experienced before, or maybe you have and you went back now. And when I think about mastering your mind, it's a catch on it because yes, you want to be diligent with your habits. Yes, you want to be consistently like observing and just, just becoming a better person. At the same time, girl, when do you turn off? Yes, we are works in progress, but we are not only works in progress. We are not only personal development projects. Is that an important factor to us? Absolutely. But when do you rest? How do you rest? And when do you reset? So I think about like how I have a migraine every 6 weeks. And usually my migraine comes up because I'm literally dehydrated. I haven't had a good sleep and I'm over giving to everyone else and I haven't just put into myself. Now, putting to myself can look like different things in different phases of my life. Right now, honestly, staying hydrated, make sure I get good quality sleep, spending time creating something that's unrelated to business or unrelated to anything that's for someone else, just creating on my own terms. And so those are just basic. And reading. I would like to get into shows and movies, but I have a hard time getting into shows because I just feel like I don't have time for that. So just to keep it basic, those are pretty much the things that I can do to like get myself together and not go into migraine zone, go into so what does that look like for you? What does your rest day look like? What is your rest moment? What does your rest look like to ensure that you don't burn out, to ensure you don't get headaches, to ensure that your body doesn't ache? While also remembering and staying true to the fact that you are pursuing goals and you have your 100-day challenge, which involves you doing 10 by 10 sprints so that you can get to the end, and you're reading books and you're listening to lectures. If you are also posting daily on YouTube, just building up your confidence and healing your visibility wounds, and you're doing all of these things, and I commend that. I support that. I am doing that myself, but we must remember to rest. The importance of rest is what's going to be the silent transporter. It's going to silently transport us to the next levels. When you think about, I've been learning a lot about weight loss. So I've been saying all this time I've been on a weight loss journey. And after getting educated at my gym, I joined the gym last month, or no, this month. Anyways, I joined the gym and I did the like free consultation where they have you stand on this thing and it vibrates from your feet and your arms and it gives you all this information and they print it out. And I learned about the difference between weight loss and fat loss and how much muscle my body has and why this didn't work for me. Anyways, just going into a lot of details about me specifically. And it made me realize how I was so focused on food and exercise, and I never considered the importance of sleep. And he was telling me, like, sleep is actually your silent, I don't say silent killer, or your silent superpower. It's the thing that a lot of us overlook. It's the most important thing that a lot of us overlook. If there are 24 hours in a day and they say we should have 7 to 8 hours of sleep, that's literally a third of your day. Of course it's important because you're only eating a couple times a day and you're only exercising 1, maybe 2 hours a day if you're really about that life. But for the most part, sleep, we're doing that for 8 whole hours. Today's video is just specifically talking to anyone who is just punching a clock, going in on your goals. You're locked in. It's month 5 of the year. If you just got started or you've been going since last year, I want to remind you and I want to amplify the importance of rest. Your body needs rest. For me, my reminder is always if I get a migraine or a headache. I don't know, everyone, it looks different, but in our pursuit to transform our life so that we can truly build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. Girl, you gotta sleep. You have to nourish your body properly. You have to sleep. Sleep is a nourishing act. And when you sleep, it's so funny because when you sleep, you're literally surrendering. Your body is like surrendering. So a few things that I've been using, like I use the Osea, or is it OC, pillow mist. Oh, it smells so good. Then I take a magnesium glycinate, and then I also do a little stretching. I want to get better at it, but I do a little bit. I want to get better at it. But everything is in steps and everything is a process. And so as I'm realizing the importance of sleep so that I don't crash and burn in my pursuit, because what's the point of going on this beautiful pursuit if you are not going to enjoy it? Right? So in my pursuit, I have been prioritizing rest more than ever, and I want you to as well. I also want you to still continue your personal development journey so that you can get your location, time, and financial freedom that we are both after. Okay, I see you. I know what you're trying to do. But you need rest. It's the silent transporter that's going to take you from the level that you are at to the level that you want to be, for you and for me. Okay? All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're ready to build more momentum in your life, please sure to click the links in the description. And if you haven't already, if you like this video, give it a like. I would truly appreciate it. And if you would subscribe, that would mean so much to me and to the growth of this channel so that we can continue building our rich life on purpose. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name is Aspire J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. Go to sleep, girl. All right, peace. All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Aspire J, and if you are new here on my channel, I have been talking about mastering of our mind so that we can transform our life, so that we can get more fulfillment out of this life. So if you are interested in building a rich life on purpose, please subscribe. I would truly appreciate it.